Assalamualaikum. Dear students, it's morning time. Let's make this day awesome. How are you feeling? Hope all of you are feeling good by the grace of Allah. I'm pretty good. This is Hazera Akter, teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, Moshar Branch, English version. Welcome you all to this online mathematics class. Can you tell me which chapter we are doing in class? Oh yes, decimal fraction. Before starting today's class, Miss will check how much you have practiced decimal fraction at home. Are you ready? So my first question is, what will be the product if 0.5 is multiplied by 12? Very good. Our answer is 6. Question number 2. If 1 inch equal 2.54 centimeter, then 10 inches is equal to how many centimeter? Yes, correct. 25.4 centimeter. Question number 3. What will be the quotient if 28 is divided by 2.5? Very good. 11.2. Question number 4. What is the quotient if 15 is divided by 100? Excellent. 0.15. Now my dear, here are some pictures of price tag, weather of temperature, and distance between Dhaka to Kumilla. Can you tell me how all this has been expressed? Yes, decimal fraction. You already know the details about decimal fraction from previous video. Today we will solve creative math from the topic of decimal fraction. Learning objectives. You will be able to solve decimal fractional multiplication. You will be able to solve decimal fractional division. You will learn how to solve creative math on decimal fraction. Take a math copy and prepare yourself. Today's video class number 25. Today we will solve two creative maths from the worksheet 8, topic of decimal fraction. Now my dear, look at the question. So statement of creative math 1 is, some apples at the rate of Taka 60.60 per dozen were bought for total 393.90. That is our statement. On the base of this statement, we will solve three maths. Question number A. 5 dozen equal to how many pieces? Question number B. What is the price per piece of apple? Question number C. The apple for Taka 393.90 is distributed among 13 boys. How many apples will each boy get? Now we will solve first math. It means number A. So question is, 5 dozens equal to how many pieces? Do you know 1 dozen is equal to how many pieces? Oh yes, 12 pieces. So at first we will write this. We know 1 dozen equal 12 pieces. But in our question you have to find out 5 dozens equal to how many pieces. So that's why we will write, therefore 5 dozens equal to. Which process we are following here? Yes, multiplication. So we are doing multiplication. 12 into 5 pieces. Can you tell me the times table of 12? Yes, 12 5s are 60. So I will write 60 pieces. So that is our answer, 60 pieces. Have you understood this? Very good. Now we will solve next one. Question number B. Question is, what is the price per piece of apple? But in our statement there is given price of per dozen is 60.60 taka. Per dozen means 1 dozen. Already you know 1 dozen is equal to how many pieces? Yes, 12 pieces. That means in our statement there is given price of 12 pieces. Okay? But you have to find out price of 1 piece. So let's solve the math. At first we will write, we know 1 dozen equal to 12 pieces. Now we will write price of 12 apples. How many taka? Yes, 60.60 taka. Now dear kids, we will find the price of 1 piece. That's why we will write, therefore price of 1 apple is, which process we are doing? Yes, division. Now we are doing division. 60.60 divided by 12 taka. Let's do the division. Okay? Here our divisor is 12 and our dividend is 60.60. You know the times table of 12. Yes, how many times I am taking here? Correct. I will take 5 times. That's why I will write 12 5s are 60. Here 5 is our quotient. 60 minus 60, there is no left. Now dear student, look at this. We will cross this point. That's why we put the point in our quotient. The next digit is 6. 12 0 is 0. That means we are taking 0 times. Do the subtraction. 6 minus 0. It means 6 left. Now here is our another digit, that is 0. That's why I will write this. It means I got again 16. So how many times I am taking here? Yes, 5 times. That's why I will write 5. 12 5s are 60. There is no left. It means no remainder. So what is the quotient here? 5.05. That means the price of 1 apple is 5.05 taka. So I got the quotient 5.05 taka. That is our answer. So we will write 5.05 taka. Are there any confusion? No. Now go to the next method. Question number C is, the apples for taka 393.90 is distributed among 13 boys. How many apples will each boy get? Have you understood this question? No? Okay, I will explain it. You have to find out taka 393.90, you can buy how many apples? Okay? So dear student, already you know the price of 1 apple. Yes, from B we get the price of 1 apple. How many taka? Yes, Price of one apple is 5.05 taka. From B we get price of one apple is 5.05 taka. But you have to find out how many apples you can buy 393.90 taka. It means you have to find out apple. So we will write this apple in our right side. Now we arrange this line. How can we arrange it? 5.05 taka is the price of one apple. Here we will use unitary method. Are you remember this method? Okay, very good. In a unitary method, at first you have to find out how many apple you can buy for 1 taka. That's why I will use therefore sign and write 1 taka is the price of. Which process we are doing here? Yes, division. We can write this division as a fraction. I will give it this fraction bar. Above the fraction bar, I will write in our right side unit, it means 1. And below the fraction bar, we will write this taka, it means 5.05 apple. But in our statement, you have to find out how many apple you can buy for 393.90 taka. Okay? So I will write therefore 393.90 taka is the price of. How can we find out this? Yes, doing multiplication. That's why I will write this fraction bar. Above the fraction bar I can write 1 into 393.90. And below the fraction bar it means our denominator is 5.05. Our unit will be apple. Let's do the calculation. Above the fraction bar there is 1 into. Another number is 393.90 is a decimal fraction. For this point, you can write 1 under the fraction bar. There is 1. After point there is 2 digits. That's why I can write 20 after 1. It means 100. So you can write this decimal fraction without point. So what is the answer? Yes, 39,390. Now my dear student, below the fraction bar there is 5.05. This point you have to use 1 in numerator. So we are doing multiplication sign, and for this point I will write 1. After point there is 2 digits. That means we can write 20. Now you can write this number without point. So what is the number? Yes, 505 apple. Now we are doing cancelling this part. Numerator 100 and denominator 100. It means both number you can divide by 100. So 100 is divided by 100. Quotient is 1. 100 divided by 100. Quotient is 1. 39,390. Last digit is 0. And denominator 505. Last digit is 5. It means both number you can divide by 5. Let's do the division. That's why we are doing rough work. 505 divided by 5. Here we will count times table of 5. 5, 1 is 5. There is no left. Another digit is 0. 5 0 is 0. There is also no left. Another digit is 5. 5 1 is 5. There is no left. It means there is no remainder. So we got the quotient. Our quotient is 101. Similarly, we are doing division. 39,390 divided by 5. In a times table 5, how many times you taken? Yes, 7 times. 5 sevens are 35. There is 4 left. Now we will put another digit. It means 3. We got 43. That's why we can take 8 times. 5 eggs are 40. There is 3 left. Our another digit is 9. Again we can take 7 times. 5 sevens are 35. There is also 4 left. Another digit is 0. 5 eggs are 40. We got the quotient. Our quotient is 7,878. Now we will divide 7,878 divided by 101. Here we will count times table of 101. It's a easy times table. At first we will take 7 times. 101 into 7, that means our product will be 707. And we are doing subtraction and left 80. Now we will put another digit, that is 8. So how many times I am taken here? Yes, 8 times. 101 into 8, that means our product will be 808. There is no remainder. So we got the quotient. It means 7,878 is divisible by 101. So 101 is divided by 101. Our quotient is 1. 7,878 is divided by 101. Our quotient is 78. Now we are doing calculation. In a denominator, 1 into 1. What is the product? Yes, 1. No need to write this 1 in denominator. Now we are count numerator. 1 into 78. Yes, product is 78. 78 into 1. Yes, the product also 78. So we will write this 78 apples. That is not our answer. Why? Because you have to distribute these 78 apples among 13 boys. In our question, you have to find out how many apples each boy get. It means one boy get how many apples. Now, let's solve the second part. 13 boys will get 78 apples. We will find out one boy will get 78 divided by 13 apples. Do you know times table of 13? Yes, correct. 13 6 are 78. It means 6 apples. That is our answer. 6 apples. confusion? No? Now my dear kids, we will solve now next creative math. It means creative math number 2. Our statement is a packet contains 0.334 liters of milk. Based on this statement, there is 3 questions. Question number A. How many 0.001s make 0.334? Question number B. How many liters of milk will there be if we have 50 such packets? Question number C. How many packets will be needed for 2004 liters of milk? Let's solve these 3 questions. Question number A. How many 0.001s make 0.334? Have you any idea about this math? No? Okay, I will explain it. At first, I will give another example. Who can tell me how many 5 to make 10? Yes, 2 5. 2 5 makes 10. How can you find out this 2? Yes, by division. You divide 10 by 5 and got question 2. Similar process you can use for solving this question number A. We will divide here. So we will divide 0.334 by 0.001. At first we convert this decimal fraction by fraction. Yes, I will write this fraction bar. For this point, below the fraction bar, I can write 1. After point there is 3 digits. That's why we will put 30. That means 1000. So without point, we can write numerator. That is 334. Here is division sign. Similarly, we will count 0.001. Below fraction bar, for this point I will write 1. After point there is 3 digits. It means we will write 30. So I got the numerator. Without point, our numerator is 1. So I will write first fraction 334 by 1000. And division convert into multiplication. That means multiplication sign. After division sign, there is 1 by 1000. This fraction convert into reciprocal fraction. So what is the reciprocal fraction? Yes, 1000 by 1. Numerator 1000, denominator 1000. Both number you can divide by 1000. So 1000 divided by 1000, that means quotient is 1. 1000 divided by 1000, quotient also 1. Now we are doing multiplication. In a denominator there is 1 into 1. It means product will be 1. No need to write this product. So we are counting numerator. 334 into 1. What is the product? Yes, 334. So I got the answer. Our answer will be 334. Okay, my dear. Question number B. How many liters of milk will there be if we have 50 such packets? But in our statement there is given a packet contains 0.334 liters of milk. It means there is given one packet contains. You have to find out 50 packet contains how many liters of milk. How can I find out this? Yes, by multiplication. Let's solve the math. 1 packet contains 0.334 liters of milk. We are finding here 50 packet contains 0.334 multiplied by 50 liters of milk. Now we are doing multiplication. Here, without point, we will write our multiplicand. That means 334 multiplied by 50. At first, we will count times table of 0. 04 is 0, 03 is 0, 03 is 0. Now we are count tens place. It means 5 times table. That's why I am putting this 0. 5 fours are 20. I will write 0 and our carrying number is 2. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2. What is the sum? Yes, 17. I will write 7 and our carrying number is 1. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 1. It means 16. Now we are doing addition. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. Here is 6 and 1. So I got the product. Our product is 16,700. Now we will count point. In a multiplicand, after point there is 3 digits. So we will put this point in our product. From right side we will count 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits we put this point. And there is liters of milk. After point last digit is 0. No need to write this 0. It means our answer will be 16.7 liters of milk. That is our answer. 16.7 liters of milk. Okay. Question number C. How many packets will be needed for 2004 liters of milk? Let's solve the math. In our statement there is given 0.334 liters of milk will be needed for 1 packet. You have to find out 2004 liters of milk needed how many packets. Okay. So I will write 0.334 liters will be needed for 1 packet. By unitary method we will solve it. Okay dear? That's why you have to find out how many packet will be needed for 1 liter. So how can I find out this? Using division. Therefore 1 liters will be needed for. Here we will write this division by fraction. That's why I will write fraction bar. Above fraction bar there will be 1. Below fraction bar 0.334. It means numerator 1, denominator 0.334. But in our statement you have to find out 2004 liters of milk. How can you find out this? Yes, by multiplication. Therefore 2004 liters will be needed for, in a numerator I will write 1 into 2004 and denominator is 0.334 packet. Let's solve it. So I will write 1 into 2004. In a denominator there is 0.334. Multiply by, for this point you can write 1. After point there is 3 digits. That's why I will write 30 in numerator. Now we can write this 0.334 without point. 334 packet. Now we are cancelling here. 334 and 2004. Both numbers are even number. That's why we can divide by 2. We are doing rough work. At first we will divide 334 by 2. We can take one time. 2 1 is 2. There is 1 left. Another digit is 3. It means 13. So we can take 6 times. 6 2s are 12. Doing subtraction, here is 1 left and the digit is 4. So how many times I am taking here? Yes, 7 times. 2 7s are 14. There is no left. So I got the quotient. Our quotient is 167. Similarly, we will count numerator. It means 2004 divided by 2. So I can write 2 1 is 2. There is no left. I will put another digit, that is 0. 2 0 is 0. There is another 0 also. I will put this. 2 0 is 0. And we will put another number, that is 4. So 2 2s are 4. There is no left. It means no remainder. So we got the quotient. Our quotient is 1002. Now we will divide 1002 by 167. Do this division. 1002 divided by 167. It means we will count times table of 167. 167 multiplied by 6. 6 7s are 42. There is 2. 4 is our carrying number. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 4. It means 40. I will write 0. Here is also 4 carrying number. 6 1 is 6. 6 plus 4. It means 10. We got the product. Wow! Our dividend also 1002. Yes. That means we can take 6 times. And our product will be 1002. There is no remainder. That's why I will put 0. So you can say 1002 is divisible by 167. 167 divided by 167. Quotient is 1. 1002 divided by 167. Our quotient is 6. In a denominator there is 1. No need to write this 1. Now look at the numerator. Here is 1 into 6. That means 1 6 is 6. 6 into 1000. Yes. That is 6000. So I got the answer 6000 packets. It means you need, answer is 6000 packets. Are there any confusion? No? Very good. I hope you understood today's class. Have you understood this? Wow, great. So it's time to take your feedback. So my dear kids, are you ready? So my first question is, convert 0.7 into a fraction. Wow, correct. 7 by 10. Next question, 1 dozen equal to how many pieces? Yes, excellent. 12 pieces. Question number 3. How many 0.1s make 2.5? Correct. 25. We came to the end of the class. Now is the time to write down diary. Today's SW number 42. Solve creative math on decimal fraction 3, 4 from worksheet 8. Now my dear students, no more today. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.